Some time ago, I made this video, which I will link above. Now, this video was how I make my kebab shop style red cabbage. And it's been quite popular. And over time, people have put on their suggestions about how they do it and the recipes they use. So in this video, I thought I'd follow that up and I make a few of those recipes myself and see what they're like.
Dadskillz, dadskills, dadskills, dadskills.
So I bought the freshest cabbage I could find in the shop. I've peeled off some of the outer leaves. So I'm going to use the mandolin, setting number 2, and cut it all up, and it makes it all nice and even. Okay, so the first tip was, in the last video I used bottled lemon. So someone suggested that I use fresh lemon because it will wilt better and also add a better texture. So fresh lemons, 2 fresh lemons going in. As with the last one, the sort of basic recipe is add some salt in as well. So now at this point it's got lemon juice and salt in. And this first bowl that I'm going to make is like a control bowl, if you like. So that was just salt and lemon juice. And then a lot of suggestions were people use olive oil. So now olive oil is going into the rest of the recipes I'm going to make. And then a bowl of this was put to one side. So this is lemon juice, salt, and olive oil. So, the first one I'd not heard of was something called sumac. So a bit of that goes in. And since I've had that jar, I've tried it on other things, and it's a bit salty, but it's okay. So the next one is pomegranate molasses. I'd never heard of this before, and I'm certainly not going to try and pronounce it. You see there, it's another Turkish made thing, Turkish made product. On it goes, mix it in. So this is now salt, lemon juice, olive oil, and this pomegranate molasses. So the last one, this is something I've used before, and it's balsamic glaze that I'm putting in and mixing that in. I haven't got any balsamic vinegar this time. And you see in the bottom there, there's still some juice from the lemon. Before I put all these in the fridge, I actually pour a bit of juice over each one of those bowls, just to help the pickling process. So balsamic goes in, gets mixed up. And then from here, they all go in the fridge. I stir them once or twice, and then the next day, I give them a taste test. So they've been in the fridge overnight. I've given them a couple of stirs just to get the juices all around them and all the rest of it. So I'm going to start with the basic one, and this is the one I would normally make. So this is salt and lemon. That's all it's got. Now at this point, the thing I hate is people eating.
Misophonia.
I hate the noise of people eating.
Misophonia.
I hate watching people eat.
Misophonia.
And I hate
Misophonia.
people eating, especially when they're going to try and talk. So at this point, I'm not going to show me eating and talking because that would be gross. So we'll play some incidental music over it. So, salt and lemon. How's that? Yeah, it's nice. It's what you expect. There's almost a little something missing. So let's move on to the next one, which is salt, lemon, and olive oil. Yeah, that was nice. Couldn't really taste the olive oil. It seems to have been a bit lost in that one. So now we'll move on to the ones where these are ingredients that have been recommended in the comments. So the first one we'll go to is salt, lemon, olive oil, and this pomegranate molasses. Never heard of it before until this person said. So now that has added a certain something. That's really nice, to be fair. I didn't know what that was going to taste like, but next time I would add a bit more. That was really nice though. That's my favourite so far. Right, next one. This is salt, lemon juice, olive oil, and sumac. Never heard of that before. I looked it up. I think it's a berry that's been dried and ground up. So I've tried it before. It's quite salty. Things I've had it on since I've bought the jar. It's okay. I think if you had a salad, you'd sprinkle that over the whole thing and not just on this. I think my favourite still is the one with the pomegranate molasses in. Okay, last but certainly not least, this has got salt, lemon juice, olive oil, and balsamic. I think it's a balsamic glaze. I didn't have any balsamic vinegar. Now this is the one, is what I add to it as well sometimes, a balsamic sort of vinegar or whatever. So this should be okay. Oh yeah.
Misophonia.
That was really nice. I'm going to go back and try the pomegranate molasses. That is really difficult to decide between the two. Do you know what? I think out of all the ones I've tried, the one with the pomegranate molasses in is my favourite. So there's a top tip for you. So that was really interesting. I hope you enjoyed that. I certainly enjoyed that. Making those and trying all those. I've tried some things that I've never even heard of before, so that's cool. So thank you for that. If you're new to the channel, I've had a lot of new subscribers recently. Thank you for watching the video. Leave me a comment. Is this something you make? Have you got another recipe that I've not tried yet? Let me know. Until next time, I'll see you again really soon.
Misophonia.